Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Today I want to give you some history on the 79 Scoop and how we've developed it. Alright, so here we have the original 79 Scoop. What we ended up starting with was, we started with a damaged bonnet, and we had the, I don't know if you're familiar with the 79 Scoop, but it's got an insert, which I can't actually remember exactly, but I think it might go something like so. So we ended up blending that insert into it, and then we copied off the whole part of this bonnet. It was all smashed up, the bonnet and stuff. And then after that, it was such a popular scoop that we developed it to fit different ones. So we developed it to fit the 40 series. That was the next one we did. Then we did the 75 series and 80 series. And then I was talking to some customers, and they were saying how it'd be nice if they didn't have to cut the bonnet when they fitted the 79 Scoop. So what we ended up doing after that was we ended up raising up the scoop, and that was where we did the GU 1 to 3 scoop, and we made it higher. You can see how this one's a bit higher. This is 3 inches, this one's only 2. That's so that it can sit up on top of the bonnet, and then you only have to cut out where you want your intercooler to poke through, or you can it's a lot easier to channel the air. So that's all the later ones that we did had that option. So that's a GU Series 4 one, but we had GU Series 1 to 3, then we did the GQ one, which is back there, which we made wider just to suit the body lines a bit better. Then GU 1 to 4, then we've got a Hilux Scoop. We've got some more coming. We're doing a full bonnet for the Landcruiser 200 series, and we're also doing 100 series and a full bonnet for the GU 1 to 3. We're doing a bonnet for the GQ. We're going to do something that we're going to do a full bonnet with the 79 Scoop in it as well. So yeah, we've got some things on the horizon. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. See ya.